Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2010 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.